Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel, and in today's video we will create a custom toast message like this. So in this video we will learn how to create custom toast messages in your Android app, and we will use an external library from GitHub. So video is going to be more important, and before start please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. Let's start. Okay, first of all, here you can see that we have created a simple Android Studio project, and we will open our main activity, and here we will drag and drop a button, and I'm going to delete this hello world text, constrain this button to the horizontally and vertically as well, and I'm going to constrain this button vertically as well. I will give ID to this button like btn show toast. That's it. And now I have to open our main activity, and I will create the object of button class. So I will type here button space btn show toast semicolon, and in the onCreate method I will type here btn show toast is equal to find view by id r dot id dot btn show. Let me check whether we have give id or not. Okay, so here we have to type btn show toast. Open the main activity, and here again we have to type btn show toast, press semicolon, and now I have to set an on click listener to our button. So I will type here btn show toast dot set on click listener new space view dot on click listener. Now we have to open the Google and search here Styleable toast. Styleable toast, press enter button. Here you can see first link of GitHub, so click on this link, and in the below section you can see you can create this type of custom toast messages inside your Android app. And first of all, we have to copy this dependency, open your Android Studio and click on this Gradle scripts and open build.gradle file, double click on it, and at the last we have to paste our this dependency, and here you will see a sync now button. Just click on this button, Android Studio will automatically sync the library. So guys, you can see that our library have been synced successfully, and now we have to open the main activity.java, and here inside our own click listener we just have to type Styleable toast. You can see that Android Studio giving us suggestion, so we just hit the enter button and press dot make text, and here we have to pass the context. So I will type here this, and next we have to type the word which we want to show to our user. So I will type here custom toast and comma, and next finally you have to type r dot style dot example toast, press dot show method. That's it, put semicolon at the end, and now we have to copy this example toast and open your resource folder, open values folder, and inside the theme folder you have to open the theme.xml, and outside this style we have to declare a new style tag, and I'm going to name this example toast. Close this. That's it. Now we have to open our Chrome browser, and here you can see that this library have give us some items. Suppose you want to change the color of this text of your toast message, you will use this property st text color. So let me just copy this item and open your Android Studio and just paste this. I will select the pink color. Okay, you can see it's showing us an error, so we can type here main activity dot this. That's it. Now let me run the app so I can show you the output. Our app have been run, and you can see that the color of our toast message have been changed. Next, suppose you want to use an icon in the start of your toast message, you have to use this property st icon start. So I will just copy this one, open your Android Studio, open the theme.xml, and here I have to paste this item. Here you can see that in my drawable folder I just have created an icon using ic_notification. So I will just type here ic_notification. By only use this one line we can create we can use an icon to the start of our toast message. I will again run my app, and now this time when I will click on the button you will see an icon in our toast message. And next, suppose you want to give an outline to your toast message, you have to use these two items, st stroke width and st stroke color. Just copy these and open your Android Studio and paste them here. I just have to copy this color and paste it here, and the width of our stroke would be 2 dp. By using these two lines, you can give an outline to your toast message. Okay guys, now you can see that when I will click on our button, you will see an outline in our toast message. So guys, I hope you must enjoyed this video. In this video, we will learn how we can customize our toast message in Android Studio, and by using these other properties, you can customize your toast messages more, and you can create this type of toast messages in your Android app. Please share this video with your those friends who want to learn Android app development, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. Thanks for watching.